I'm Anil Kumar. I'm sharing some test questions with you just to review quadratic equations. Here is a communication question. The question is, determine the value of c needed in x squared plus 8x plus c to create a perfect square trinomial. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, when I say perfect square trinomial, it means what? It means something like this. Let me, in general, write down a perfect square trinomial. If I have x plus a whole square, it could be written as x squared plus 2 times ax plus a square. So that is a perfect square trinomial. Okay. So this is what we call perfect square trinomial. Is it okay? Now, we need to find the value of c so that the given trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. So what are we given? Let's write it down and compare. So we are given x squared plus 8x plus c, right? So the first step is to write in this form so that we can identify what the center number could be. Since this is a square, I could write this as x squared plus, I have to write square root, right? So it's square root of c whole square. Now that matches. Is it okay? So a for me is square root of c. So I'll place it in the center and I say my center should be 2 square root of c x. Now, I hope this step is clear, right? So to make it a perfect square, we found square root of this, which is square root of c whole square is same as c, right? This is another way of writing it. The center term is related with the square root of c. 2 times ax, 2 times square root cx. Now if you compare these two, then you can find the value of square root c and then the value of c, correct? So when we compare, we can say that 2 square root c x should be equals to 8x, right? Now we can simplify and find what c is. So we have square root of c is equals to 8x divided by 2x, which is 4, right? So if square root of c is 4, what is c equals to? What is c equals to, right? So this is what we have to figure out. What is c equals to? C is square of 4, correct? We have to square both sides. So c is equals to 4 square, which is 16. Do you see that? And therefore, we get c as 16. Then it becomes a perfect square. Now you can check for yourself, and here is a check. If c is 16, you could write this given trinomial as x squared plus 8x plus 16, which is 4 square, right? Which is x squared plus 8x plus 4 square. And I could write this as x plus 4 whole square. So it becomes a perfect square. Do you see that? So that is how we can show that our answer is correct. So the answer is that c should be equal to 16. I'm Anil Kumar and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you and all the best.